The role of ECBA in business analysis career progression. The ECBA certification is designed for individuals who are new to business analysis. Unlike advanced certifications like the CCBA or ECBA focuses on basic knowledge. It provides a structured starting point. Foundation for core competencies. The ECBA certification lays the groundwork for essential business analysis competencies. These include requirements gathering, stakeholder communication, process modeling, and analytical thinking. Demonstrating commitment to the profession. The ECBA certification shows employers a person is serious about a career in business analysis. It shows a commitment to learning and growth. It makes candidates more appealing to hiring managers. Bridging the skills gap. Many aspiring business analysts come from diverse fields. These include marketing, IT, finance, and operations. While they may possess domain knowledge, they often lack specific business analysis skills. Benefits of ECBA for career growth. Global recognition. The ECBA certification is recognized worldwide. It gives candidates credibility and opportunities across industries and geographies. This global standard ensures consistent skills and knowledge. Enhanced earning potential. Certification often translates to better compensation. Industry reports say that certified business analysts earn more than their non-certified counterparts. ECBA boosts earning potential and accelerates career growth. Networking opportunities. Pursuing ECBA connects candidates with a broader community of business analysis professionals. It offers mentoring, industry insights, and job leads to boost careers. Adaptability across industries. Business analysis is a versatile field. ECBA certification gives professionals transferable skills. These skills apply to finance, healthcare, IT, retail, and manufacturing. Conclusion. In conclusion, the ECBA certification is more than a credential. It is a catalyst for career growth in business analysis. ECBA sets aspiring professionals on a path to success. It does this by providing a strong foundation, bridging skills gaps, and opening doors